Looking to clean your pond without the mess or stress? Stick around, we've ranked the top vacuum cleaners from weakest to absolute best. Let's start things off with the POOLWHALE. Coming in at the bottom of our list, it's a simple, budget-friendly option that's more DIY than professional grade. If you're dealing with a small pond, a hot tub, or just a shallow water feature with light debris, this one might catch your eye. It doesn't use electricity at all, just your garden hose. That makes it lightweight, quiet, and super portable. It even includes a telescopic pole, some handy brush attachments, and a mesh bag to collect leaves or grit. It's about as low maintenance as pond vacuums get, and for tiny jobs, it might do just fine. But here's the catch. The suction all depends on your water pressure. If your hose doesn't have much power, neither will this vacuum. And let's be real, if your pond has anything more than light sludge or floating leaves, this tool will likely fall short. This vacuum is best suited for quick, casual cleanups in shallow ponds. Think fountains, little fish ponds, or spa corners. But if you're looking for something that packs a bit more punch, let's move on to our next pick. And don't forget, we've linked every product in the description below at the best price we could find. Next up is the Kokido XTROVAC. It earns the 4th spot on our list thanks to its cordless, easy-to-use design. It's a decent step up from manual vacuums and works well for small to mid-sized cleaning jobs. With a rechargeable battery, you won't need any cords or hoses. It runs up to an hour on a single charge and includes different nozzles to get into corners and tight spaces. It's great for scooping up leaves and light debris from a small pond, spa, or above-ground pool. The water-activated switch is also a nice touch. Just dunk it in and go. But while it's convenient, the suction power is modest. It won't handle heavy muck or compact sludge, and the debris chamber is small, so you'll be emptying it often. Compared to more powerful models, this one definitely feels light duty. Still, if you're someone who wants cordless simplicity and portability, this might be your best bet. It's perfect for surface-level debris and much easier to use than a hose-powered model. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. It helps us keep these reviews coming. At number 3, we've got the Enhulk. This cordless vacuum delivers a serious performance bump over the XTROVAC. It's built for folks who want power and portability in one package. This thing pulls in water at nearly twice the rate of the previous model, making it great for tackling sand, gravel, and medium debris. With a 20-volt lithium battery, you'll get up to an hour of runtime, and it comes with multiple reusable filters, so you can adapt it to whatever mess you're dealing with. Now, it's not perfect. Like all battery-operated tools, you're going to feel the pressure on big jobs. The battery life might not cut it if your pond's large or especially dirty. It's also not quite up to handling deep muck or sludge. Still, the Enhulk hits a sweet spot. It's more powerful than lightweight vacs, but still cordless and easy to move around. A solid mid-range choice for serious hobbyists. Moving into the heavy hitters now, the half-off ponds vacuum lands in 2nd place on our list. This is where we go from casual cleanups to real muck-busting performance. It's powered by a strong 1400-watt motor and can suck up sludge, leaves, and muck with ease. The long hose and included attachments make it really flexible, and it's powerful enough to clear stubborn debris off pond bottoms without disturbing your fish too much. But the biggest downside? It doesn't run continuously. The vacuum fills with water and debris, then pauses to drain before it starts up again. That stop-start cycle can slow you down, especially on bigger ponds. Still, if you need something serious for yearly cleanups or maintenance, this vacuum is a beast. It's powerful, reliable, and great for mid to large-sized ponds that get a little wild during the season. And finally, the top of our list, the Pond Guy ClearVac. If you're looking for the best pond vacuum out there, this is the one to beat. This machine is all about power and efficiency. With a 1600-watt motor and a dual-chamber design, it vacuums continuously without needing to pause and drain. It can go up to 6 feet deep, making it ideal for koi ponds, water gardens, and bigger backyard setups. You get multiple nozzles too, so it's easy to tackle algae, stones, muck, whatever's down there. Of course, all that power comes at a cost. It's heavy and probably overkill for small ponds or simple jobs. You'll need an outdoor outlet and a bit of storage space too. But if you want a professional grade cleaner that doesn't quit mid-job and gets deep into pond mess, this one's absolutely worth it. It's reliable, efficient, and hands down the most complete tool in the lineup. All the top pond vacuums we covered today are linked below, so check them out if you're ready to clean up your water garden. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews just like this.